So what is affiliate marketing? How does affiliate marketing work? And more importantly, how can you use affiliate marketing to make money online so that you can quit your 9-to-5 job and live a financially free, stable life? Those are great questions, and I'm going to answer them all in this video. But first, let me say, hey, my name is Ronnie Cotton, aka Dad Learns Money, and I'm going to be doing a complete series that's going to show you how to start making money with affiliate marketing from complete scratch. So if I had to go back and start all over, this is exactly what I do. So what is affiliate marketing? But check this out. Affiliate marketing is when you sell somebody else's product online for a commission. For example, an entrepreneur or an established company may have a product or a catalog of products, either digital or physical, and they let others promote and sell those products, paying them a commission every time they sell something. Now, there are three types of affiliate marketing methods. One being private high ticket, which is anywhere from upwards of 5-figure commissions, okay? The second is high ticket, which is 4 to 5-figure commissions. And then there's a low or mid ticket. Those can be anywhere from $100 less or upwards to $1,000. So those are the three ways you can make money with affiliate marketing based off those different industries. High ticket is usually someone who is an entrepreneur and they already have a course or a plethora of products, and you sign up to become an affiliate for them and they pay you commission. Usually the lower ticket or mid-ticket affiliate marketing companies or programs are softwares where they're paying you for subscriptions each and every month, or those could also be one-off sales per commission. All right, for example, we'll dive into one of the most well-known ones, Amazon. Now, this is Amazon.com. This is considered to be a low-ticket commission paying affiliate program, but if you went to Amazon.com, all you would have to do is scroll all the way down to their website, go all the way down, and you see they have a different menu of selections. And if you look with where it says make money with us right here, you'll see become an affiliate, okay? So you can become an affiliate right here by clicking on this link. Click that link, is going to bring you to the affiliate page where you can sign up to become an Amazon associate, which is Amazon's affiliate marketing program. And usually these are free. There's nothing much you need to do. They may ask for some basic information. They do need something for you to work with because you're going to be promoting them. So you may have to have a social media profile or a website. You may need to have some type of following on a particular social media platform, but in general, most of them don't ask you to pay anything, especially when it's a low ticket. Other type is mid ticket or low to mid ticket, to where you can sign up for also a software. In this case, I'm showing you a company called ClickFunnels. They have an affiliate program. ClickFunnels is a funnel software that shows entrepreneurs or small business owners how to build a funnel so they can turn their viewers or prospects into customers. And if you sign up to become an affiliate, and if you promote the software to your audience and one of them comes over and makes a purchase, you will get a commission. Now, the cool thing about something like ClickFunnels is that they have a membership subscription. So as long as the customer is a member of ClickFunnels and pays them each and every single month, you get recurring income and receive commissions from their membership each and every single month. Another one is a company like Digistore24. Digistore is where you'll find more high-ticket affiliate programs, and you can come here, sign up to become an affiliate, or you can also create your own course or program and become a vendor, and others can sign up to become an affiliate for your course and market and promote it for you, and you pay them commission. So there's two ways to enter and become a member of Digistore. Digistore is free, but this is where you can find a whole bunch of different niches and affiliate programs spread out throughout the entire planet on the internet. Sign up for one, learn some basic information about what it is and how it can help your customers' needs, and become an affiliate, promote it, and you'll receive the commissions. These can range anywhere from $20 to $30 on upwards to $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, depending on which one you choose. And finally, there are companies that are like considered private high ticket affiliate marketing programs where the commissions are incredibly high. This is an example of one called Goldco. Helps people with their IRAs who invest in gold and silver, and they help protect them from the dangers of the economy. So if the economy goes up or goes down, they help keep their clients' money safe by with their investments. But anyway, these people come in with large investments, so they're able to give out high ticket or private high ticket commissions. So one person's investment in this company could give you 5 figures. So 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 50,000, even $1 million, depending on what their investment is. So just wanted to show you an overall snapshot view of the different ways you can make money with affiliate marketing, and show you if you have income goals so you could be more strategic in which one you choose. Now, the main thing you want to make sure you always do before you dive head first into affiliate marketing, you want to have some things in order, and one of those is knowing your niche. And then second, once you know your niche, you want to know what the customer or your prospects are having struggling with. And then third, you want to know what we call the buyer's journey and create a buyer's profile for that niche or your ideal customer, and some people may call it an avatar. All right, but especially if you're selling high ticket products and private high ticket products that you're promoting, it may not be easy to just outright ask for that amount of money up front, or refer them to a website to where they have to make a decision amongst themselves, because it's such a large amount to invest in themselves for learning or investing into a company like Goldco. People have to talk to their family, their friends, their wife, or their husband before they make a decision. So what most affiliate marketers do, and myself, what I've learned is I create intro offers or lead magnets that educate them, and then you can sprinkle those things with your affiliate links, sort of similar to a blog, but in a digital product form that they can download real fast, and give you their name and their email address so you can follow up with them in an email sequence. Okay, so that's really how it works. That's how it breaks down. And now I'm going to show you how you can actually make money with affiliate marketing. To make it real simple for you, this is one of my landing pages, which is the one you probably signed up for in order to get to this point to take this free course, okay? But let's say you signed up for one of the affiliate programs. All right, we're using an example. Say you signed up for my affiliate program within my course. What you would receive after you signed up, giving your basic information, you would get your own referral or your own affiliate link. All right, that link is unique to only you. That link is encrypted with a piece of code so that when somebody clicks it, they get locked in. So if they make a purchase, that code tells the affiliate program or my company affiliate software that I'm using where to send the commissions to after they complete their purchase. All right. So your affiliate link is sort of like your social security number. Nobody has it but you. So say, for example, this is my landing page right here. Okay. So inside this landing page would be your affiliate code. So they would come to your website because you created an intro offer or a lead offer. In this case, the lead offer or the lead magnet is if you give me your email address, okay, you'll get access to this free course. So that's what they're signing up for. They want to learn how to build an affiliate marketing business by taking this free course so they can generate passive income. That's a deal for them. I give you my name and my email address in exchange for getting access to this code. So when you're creating your landing page, or in this case, if you signed up and you joined my course, all you will have to do is just add your link into this button on your landing page, and you can do that with the software we use, and it's totally easy. All right, but when they click this button, it's going to ask them for their name, email, and phone number, which is optional, and your link will also be in this button. And when they sign in, should they make a purchase anywhere throughout the course is going to be encoded to you, and then they're going to get access to the course, which is the next page. All right, so that's a deal. That happens. That is how you build an email list. Okay, so say if they don't make any purchases, you're following back up with them in an email sequence that we also teach you throughout this course that you'll learn that will redirect them or motivate them or nudge them a little closer to the goals of completing a purchase so that you can get the commission. Now, of course, there is a process to everything I just described, but that is what you're going to learn inside this course and more. But I wanted to give you a basic understanding of how this works. So just keep that in mind as you're going through each one of the modules, and join our Facebook group so that you can get any other questions answered that you may not find or understand here in this course, and we can catch up and DM each other, or you can ask others within the community. No matter what, man, the whole thing of this game is you got to keep going, learn as you go. Failure is not an option. We learn from our mistakes, and then we take that information and then we pivot and make it better, but we do not quit. Stay blessed. I'll see you on the other side of success.